Hi friends, Namaskar. I, Yagotra Sharma, welcomes you to the Future Pro YouTube channel. This is the next video in the series of astrology. In my last video, we had discussed about the houses and in connection with the yoga. Now onwards, we will discuss about the planets and individual house and individual planet, and we will proceed towards the prediction side. In this video, we will superficially discuss about the planets. Before proceeding ahead, I request you to please see the videos, like them, comment them, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that as soon as any video in any section of Future Pro YouTube channel is launched, you get the information immediately and you don't miss the video of your area of interest. So we all know, if we talk of astrology, we all know there are 9 planets, out of which 7 are physical and 2 are the shadow planets. If we see the position of the planets, this is the Sun, next to it is the Mercury, next to it the Venus, then it comes the Earth and its Moon, then it's the Mars, then Jupiter and the Saturn. This is the position of the planets in our solar system which are affecting us, our life. We know it is said there are these planets may be malefic or the benefic. Venus and Jupiter is said to be always benefic. Sun is said to be, we can't say it's a malefic, but it's a cruel type of planet. But in my experience, none of the planet is benefic and none of the planet is malefic. All can be benefic or all can be malefic depending on their position in the horoscope. And I remember a shlok about the planets that Brahma Murare Stripurantakari Bhanu Shashi Bhumi Suto Budhascha Gurusha Shukra Shani Rahu Ketva Sarve Graha Shanti Kara Bhavantu Surya Shaurya Mathendra Ucca Padavim Sangamangalam Mangala Subuddhim Cha Budham Gurusha Gurutam Shukra Shukham Sham Shani Rahur Bahu Balam Karotu Satatam Ketu Kula Sonyati Nityam Priti Kara Bhavantu Mamte Sarve Nukula Graha. According to this shlok, none of the planet is malefic. Every planet has its importance in the human being's life. So how can we say a planet is a good or bad? Whether it's a good or bad will depend on the position of the planet in the person's horoscope. So, don't be afraid of any planet. Every planet will give you rise in your life. Whether it's the Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, etc., etc., whatever is planet is there, they give good results when they want to. In few years, 2-3 more planets are discovered by the astronomers, but I don't feel that they affect us, our body in any ways, because they are far, far, far away. And in our Shastra, in our the books of the astrology, nothing is mentioned. We follow the Parashar, the Maharshi Parashar. In that books or that Granth, only 7 planets are there. We will work with the 7 planets only, not with all this. Because if we say the largest planet is the Jupiter. Largest planet is Jupiter and the Saturn. If we see, the Jupiter is around 6,300 lakh kilometers away from the Earth. And Saturn, if we talk of the Saturn is around 13,000 lakh kilometer away from the Earth. Now, let's see the dia of them. The dia of Jupiter is around 1,50,000 kilometer. It's approximately 1,50,000 kilometer is the diameter. And if we talk of the Saturn, its diameter is 1,20,000 kilometer. These are the biggest planet. And if we talk of the Uranus and Neptune, they are 6,300 kilometer from Earth, and Uranus is around 28,000 lakh kilometer away from the Earth. Just more than double of the distance from the Saturn. If we talk of the Neptune, it's around 44,000 lakh kilometer away from the Earth. And their diameter, they are much more small. Diameter is, if you talk of the 51,000 kilometer, and if we talk of the Neptune, it's around the 48,000 kilometers only. Very small. So don't get confused with these planets. So because they are much small and far, 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 far away from us. Moreover, nothing is available in our mythological books, in our Parashari, in any of the astrological books. They are not available. So we will not talk about these 2 planets or 3 planets in our videos. We summarize this video here and wish you all the best. If you want to really learn the astrology or about the astrology, so you watch our videos seriously and subscribe the channel. I request you.